Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be explaining subtractions of decimals. As we have learned additions, so let's start subtractions. So I have already taken a problem. Subtract 18 rupees 25 pies from 20 rupees 75 pies. So now what we have to do is, now I have chosen the first one, that is 18 rupees 25 pies from 20 rupees 75 pies. So now here 18 rupees 25 pies should be subtracted from 20 rupees 75 pies. Now here from in the sense we have to take the second number first and then we have to take the first one. So let me write, it is 20 rupees 75 pies minus of 18 rupees 25 pies. Now as usual subtraction, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5. Now here 0 minus 8 is not possible, so borrow from 10's place. So here you are going to get 10 and here it is 1. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now as you have a decimal point after 2 digits, so 1, 2 and point is over here. So the answer we got is 2 rupees 50 pies and the rupee symbol is written in the front. So let me take the next one, that is B1, that is 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. Now here in the same case, here it is given again from in the sense second term should be written first. So that is 5.206 minus of 2.051. Now as usual subtraction, now 6 minus 1 is 5. Now here it is 0, so borrow from here, it is 10 and here 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3 and you have a decimal point after 3 digits. So count from right side 3 digits and then place a decimal point 1, 2, 3 and point. So in answer we got is 3.155. its units are given as kilometer, so you need to write this. Now in this case what you have to remember is it is given subtract this from this, so the from indicates the second number should be taken first. So let me explain the next one. So the next one is now the next one is 0.314 kg from 2.107 kg. Now here it is again from, so you need to write the second number first, that is 2.107 minus of 0.314. So subtraction part same as usual, 7 minus 4 is 3. Now 1, so borrow from here, it is 10 here, now it becomes 0. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now here 0 minus 3 is not possible. So borrow from next place, that is 10 here and becomes 1. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. Decimal point is after 3 digits. So count 1, 2, 3 and place a decimal point. And we got answer as 1.793 kg. Yes. Now only thing is you have to remember, because it is given from, you have to write the second digit first, second number first, and you have to write the next number. So let me continue with the next topic. Okay, the next one is find the value of 9.756 minus 6.28. So the first one I'm taking, it is 9.756 minus of 6.28. Now here it is directly given, so we can directly subtract. It is 9.756. Now when you are placing the numbers, you need to be careful that the place values are in the same line. Yes, so it is 6.28. Now here you don't have a number here, so add a 0 to it. By adding 0, the value is not going to change, but only thing is it is for convenience. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now 5 minus 8. Now it is not possible, so borrow from here and this becomes 6 and you have taken one number, it becomes 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now decimal point to be placed after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, place a dot. Yes, so it is 3.476. Yes, so the next one, 18.5 minus 6.79. Now it is 18.5 minus 6.79. So it is 18.5 minus of 6. So 6 should be written in ones place, that is 6.79. Here you don't have a digit in 100th place, so do place a 0. Now here I don't have a 10th place digit, so I am taking 0. Now this, it becomes easy for us. Now here it is 0. 0 minus 9 cannot be subtracted, so here 1 is borrowed here, so it becomes 10 here, and this is 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now 4 can't, from 4 I can't subtract 7, so borrow 1, it becomes 7. Now 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Decimal point to be placed after 2 digits. So 1, 2 and place a decimal point, that is 11.71. Yes, so let me take the next one. So the next one I have taken is 2.58 minus of 0.456. So let me take, that is 2.58 minus of, it is 0 point. So 0 should be placed under 2 point. Now 456. As I told you, there is no digit here. If there is no digit, you can add a 0 and make it like fraction, like decimals. Now 0 minus 6 is not possible, so borrow from this 8. So this becomes 7 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 2 minus 0 is 2. So decimal point to be placed after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, place a dot. So the answer we got is 2.124. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.